Hi everyone, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a summer makeup that you can achieve with 5 products. The 5 products that I'm going to be using is concealer, bronzer, blush, an eyebrow product, and a lip product. I really like this makeup because I can do this on a daily routine, especially because it's summer and it's hot and you don't want too much on your face because you're just going to sweat it all out anyway. So this is really nice and light on your face but still gives you a nice look. I also really like this makeup because it's really quick to do. So if I wanted to do this during the school year, I could definitely do that because I'm always in a hurry on the way to class. And this definitely takes less than 10 minutes, so it's very doable and also looks very nice on the face for an everyday makeup. So without further ado, let's get started. Bye! Before I do my makeup, I want to prep my skin first. And to prep my skin, I use sunscreen by xoxo. And I love this product. I love xoxo and all their products. So I swear by this sunscreen because not only does it give you protection from the sun, but also it is a good skincare product to have. So I just spread that all over my face. And then the next thing that I'm going to be using on my face, as part of prepping my face, I use Primer by Milk Makeup, and I also just spread that all over my face. And I really like this product because it gives me that glow. The next thing that I'm going to be using is concealer. And using this concealer, I just put this under my eyes because I have really dark under eyes. And then I put it on my forehead to cover up any acne scars or acne marks that I may have. And then I put it around my nose area just because that area is a little red sometimes. And then this part is optional, but this is another concealer that I like to use. It's a lighter color, and I like to use this to lift my eyes up a little bit. And then I just blend everything through. The next thing that I'm going to be using is bronzer by Milk Makeup, and I love this bronzer. I wear this bronzer every time I do my makeup because, I don't know, it just gives me that nice bronze, that nice sun-kissed look that I don't get because I don't really go out that often. But I just swiped it under my cheekbones, around my forehead, on my eyelids, and on my jawline. And now I'm just going to blend that out, and it is really important to make sure everything is blended in properly and thoroughly, because one time I forgot to completely blend out the line on my jawline and that just did not look cute. So make sure you blend everything out properly so you don't have any obvious lines. The next thing I'm going to be using is this Cloud Paint by Glossier. This is my favorite blush because it gives me that perfect color that I like. And because I love this color so much, I just put so much on my face. I know that this is very pigmented and a lot of other people just put a little bit on their face, so it's not super pigmented on their face, but I have been so obsessed with blush. So next thing I'm going to be doing is brushing up my eyebrows to prep it for drawing in my brows. And to draw in my brows, I'm using Glossier's Brow Flick, and I just draw in fake hairs. Using Glossier's Cloud Paint again, I use that on my lips just to give it that extra color. And then after that, I'm using this lip gloss by Maybelline that I recently purchased, and I love it because it's so juicy and it makes my lips so plump, and I just love this new lip gloss. And I definitely recommend this because it's so cheap. I think it was like $6. And last but not least, I am gonna curl up my lashes. Alright, this is the final look. It's very simple, very bronzy, very sun-kissed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. I'm so glad the sun was out and the weather is so nice, and so that's why I decided to film outside today, and I'm hoping to make more videos like this in the future. Thank you again for watching. Please stay safe out there. Remember to wear your mask, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or any suggestions for future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!